In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Pinterest desktop account public. If you want people to discover your boards and ideas more easily, making your Pinterest account public is the way to go. I'll walk you through the exact places to click on desktop and explain what each setting actually does, so you know you're choosing the right level of visibility for your needs. Start by opening Pinterest in your desktop browser and signing in if you aren't already. Once you're on the home feed, look to the top right corner of the page. Click your profile picture or the small arrow next to it to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the main settings area where you manage how your account appears and functions. On the left-hand side, find and select Profile Visibility. This section controls who can see your profile and how easily it can be found. Front and center here, you'll see the Private Profile option. Think of this as the master switch for being public. When Private Profile is turned on, only you can see your profile, and your content won't be visible to others on Pinterest. To make your account public, make sure this is turned off. The moment you switch it off, your profile becomes visible to anyone on Pinterest. You don't need to click a separate Save button. Pinterest saves this automatically. Right below that, you'll notice another setting called Search Privacy. This controls whether search engines outside Pinterest, like Google or Bing, can index your profile and boards. If search privacy is turned on, your profile won't appear in those external search results. If your goal is maximum discoverability, consider turning search privacy off so search engines can find you. Just remember, search indexing can take some time, so changes won't show up in Google immediately. A quick tip to confirm everything worked. After updating your settings, open a private or incognito browser window and paste your profile link. If private profile is off, you should be able to view your profile without being signed in. If you can't, revisit the profile visibility page and confirm the toggle is off. That's all there is to it. Open Settings, go to Profile Visibility, turn off Private Profile, and review search privacy based on how findable you want to be beyond Pinterest. With these adjustments, your boards and ideas can reach a wider audience, and collaborators or customers can see your profile without any friction. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your creativity with the world.